Welcome to Costa Rica, the land of pura vida, where adventure meets nature in perfect harmony. Prepare to be captivated by the untamed beauty of this tropical paradise as we take you on a journey through lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and awe-inspiring volcanoes. Get ready for an adrenaline rush as we explore some of the world's most thrilling zipline courses, whitewater rafting adventures, and incredible wildlife encounters. Our adventure begins in the vibrant capital city of San Jose, where colonial charm meets modern-day excitement. As we venture further into the country, we'll discover hidden waterfalls, explore active volcanoes, and encounter friendly locals who embody the true meaning of pura vida, the local motto that translates to pure life. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this enchanting destination and create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. So grab your passport and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in Costa Rica. Our journey takes us to the majestic Arenal Volcano, an iconic symbol of Costa Rica's natural beauty. This dormant volcano towers over the surrounding landscape, offering breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility. The perfectly shaped cone of the Arenal Volcano is a sight to behold, reminiscent of a scene from a fantasy movie. We'll have the opportunity to hike around the volcano, immersing ourselves in the lush rainforest that covers its slopes. The air will be filled with the sound of birds, howler, monkeys, and other wildlife serenading us as we explore this untouched wilderness. As we ascend higher, the vegetation will transform from thick and tangled to more open and airy, revealing panoramic vistas of the valley below. The thrill of reaching the summit will be worth every step as we are rewarded with a bird's eye view of the Arenal Volcano and the expansive rainforest that surrounds it. No trip to Costa Rica would be complete without experiencing the thrill of whitewater rafting. Our next stop takes us to the Pacuare River, renowned for its exhilarating rapids and stunning natural surroundings. As we glide through the water, the sound of crashing waves and the lush rainforest create an unforgettable experience. The powerful current will test our limits as we navigate through the rapids, but the sense of camaraderie and excitement will make it all worthwhile. Our expert guide will ensure our safety while sharing fascinating insights about the local flora and fauna. Keep an eye out for monkeys, sloths, and colorful birds that call this region home. The thrill of whitewater rafting on the Pacuare River is a must-do adventure in Costa Rica. It's a perfect blend of adrenaline, natural beauty, and unforgettable memories. Our journey through Costa Rica's natural wonders continues with a visit to one of the country's most enchanting destinations, the La Paz Waterfall Gardens. This hidden gem features a series of 5 magnificent waterfalls cascading down lush green mountainsides. The air will be filled with the sound of rushing water as we approach the first waterfall, a towering spectacle that seems straight out of a fairy tale. As we continue our exploration, we'll encounter more breathtaking waterfalls, each with its own unique charm and beauty. The gardens surrounding the waterfalls are meticulously designed, offering plenty of opportunities for picture-perfect moments. Stroll along the hanging bridges that crisscross the canyons, or take a dip in the refreshing pools at the base of the falls. Don't forget to keep your eyes peeled for the resident wildlife, including monkeys, hummingbirds, and even frogs. The La Paz Waterfall Gardens is a true oasis of tranquility and natural beauty, making it the perfect place to unwind and connect with nature. But our adventure doesn't end there. We still have more exciting activities lined up. For the ultimate adrenaline rush, we'll head to the Arenal region, known for its world-class zipline courses. Imagine soaring through the air on a zipline, feeling the wind rushing through your hair as you fly above the treetops. With panoramic views of the rainforest and the majestic Arenal Volcano in the distance, this experience will leave you exhilarated and full of joy. But that's not all. We'll also embark on a night walk through the rainforest, where we'll discover nocturnal creatures that come alive after dark. The symphony of sounds, from the chirping of crickets to the distant roar of a jaguar, will create an atmosphere of mystery and wonder. Our knowledgeable guide will use their expertise to help us spot elusive animals such as tarantulas, scorpions, and fireflies. This night walk will be a truly unforgettable experience, leaving us with a deeper appreciation for the biodiversity of the rainforest. Next, we'll explore the mystical hot springs of Tabacon, nestled in the heart of the rainforest. Imagine immersing yourself in warm, soothing waters surrounded by lush vegetation and the gentle sounds of nature. These hot springs are renowned for their therapeutic properties and are said to have healing powers. As we relax in the mineral-rich waters, we'll feel our stress melt away, leaving us rejuvenated and ready to embrace the beauty of Costa Rica. But that's not all. The hot springs are also home to a variety of wildlife, including monkeys, iguanas, and even sloths. Just imagine the sight of a sloth lounging on a nearby branch as you soak in the warm waters. It's a truly magical experience that will create lasting memories. No trip to Costa Rica would be complete without encountering one of its most famous residents, the playful and adorable monkeys. We have the opportunity to interact with these intelligent creatures up close and learn about their behavior and importance to the ecosystem. The monkeys will be our guides as they lead us through the rainforest, showing us the best spots for photography and creating unforgettable moments. But our encounters with wildlife don't end there. Costa Rica is a birdwatcher's paradise, and we witness a kaleidoscope of colors and sounds as we observe toucans, hummingbirds, and other exotic species in their natural habitat. The lush vegetation provides the perfect backdrop for these feathered wonders, making for stunning sightings that will leave us in awe. Finally, we'll visit a coffee plantation to learn about the journey from bean to cup. The knowledgeable farmers will take us through the entire process, sharing their expertise and passion for their craft. We'll learn about the meticulous care that goes into growing, harvesting, and processing the coffee beans. And of course, we'll have the chance to sample the delicious Costa Rican coffee, known for its rich flavor and high quality. The coffee plantation tour is not only educational, but also a celebration of the hard work and dedication of the local farmers who play a vital role in producing this beloved beverage. And there you have it, folks. Our incredible journey through Costa Rica in 4K 60 FPS HDR. A visual feast that showcases the raw beauty of this enchanting destination. From the majestic Arenal Volcano to the thrilling whitewater rafting, the mesmerizing waterfalls, the mystical hot springs, and the playful monkeys, we've experienced the very best of what Costa Rica has to offer. And let's not forget the coffee plantation tour, a delightful addition that gave us a glimpse into the world of coffee production. Throughout our adventure, we've marveled at the lush rainforests, encountered friendly locals, and immersed ourselves in the true meaning of Pura Vida. Now it's time to say goodbye to this tropical paradise. But the memories we've created here will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Costa Rica. If you're seeking adventure, natural beauty, and a true escape from the ordinary, we highly recommend adding this destination to your travel bucket list. The vibrant culture, thrilling activities, and stunning landscapes will leave you yearning for more. Until next time, keep the spirit of Pura Vida alive.